In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Robinhood app that's both on desktop as well as mobile and how you can get some free stock right now. Stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? My name is Jacob Billett. I am the CEO of Billett Enterprises, and welcome back to a Tech Thursday segment on my channel. So on Thursdays, I will cover programs, softwares, applications that can not only help you make more money, but manage your current money, as well as make you more efficient as an individual or as a business. So today, I am covering the Robinhood app. So again, first and foremost, a huge shout out to Malone Money Mindsets. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description so you guys can go over and take a look at his channel. He's the one that actually turned me on to the Robinhood trading platform. It is a commission free. It's a very, very simple, very well put together, very seamless brokerage that I believe that beginning investors can really benefit from, as well as advanced investors can really benefit from. So if you want to get some free stock, again, you don't have to make a deposit or nothing. What you do is you'll click the link that I will have in the description as well as in my pinned comments. You guys can go over to Robinhood, you can sign up, do your application. Once your application is approved, most of the times it's instant. You don't even need to deposit anything, and boom, you will get a free stock that can be valued all the way up to $250. So it's really, really cool. Plus, you'd be helping me out because not only will you be getting a free stock, I will also get a free stock as well. So it kind of awards me for like the time that I put into this video and getting this information out to you guys. So it's really, really a cool thing. Plus, you yourself can earn up to $500 in free stock every year if you decide you want to refer your friends and family or whichever that can benefit from this brokerage. So let's go ahead and sign in. I'm going to do a quick tutorial or a quick guide and overview of how this works, and you can kind of see how it is. And if this is right for you, definitely click the link in the description and go and claim your free stock. And I will show you the free stock that I got by using Malone Money Mindsets referral link. So we're going to go and sign in real quick. And after that, we're going to go ahead and get this party started. So first and foremost, when you sign in, you're going to have the portfolio view. Now you can see all the pricing is in real time, which is really, really cool. You will see my portfolio will be going up and down during this video. And then you can see off to the right-hand side, you can see what stocks I'm currently in. So INO is actually a free stock that I got through signing up through Milo Money Mindsets link. And so I got, $13 for free, a $13 stock for free. So that's pretty cool, especially as a beginning investor where you only can put in like $20 a week or something like that. I mean, that's a substantial amount of your portfolio if you're just starting out. If you're an advanced investor and you have a larger portfolio, adding free stock is always pretty cool. So again, now my main brokerage, I have a pretty large account with E-Trade. Now E-Trade is a little bit more advanced. It has a lot of good information, but it can be really, really, really overwhelming when it comes to beginning investors. This right here is a very clean setup, as well as their mobile app is a really, really clean setup. It's simplistic. It doesn't overload you with a ton of information, which that kind of scares off a lot of newer, younger investors. So again, this is a great time to start, especially in the market right now with the travel sector, the oil sector just getting absolutely destroyed right now. You can go in, and the automotive industry. I just bought 16 shares of Ford just to kind of show you guys. Again, I will be putting more money in this account so I can get a margin account. I'll explain that in a second. But let's go ahead and take a look at the overview now. They actually have collections. So for example, if you want to see some popular collections about what people put together they want to invest in, if you kind of don't know what direction that you want to go in, you can definitely go in and pull some of these collections based on these different market verticals that you want to go in and invest in. So it's pretty intuitive when it comes to that. You can kind of see what people are thinking and people are doing. Also too, it does have a news feed right there directly on your portfolio, which is really, really cool. You can take a look. And then again, obviously you have your watch list. What I really like like about Robinhood as well is that you can invest in crypto if you want as well. I love cryptocurrencies. I'm a heavy cryptocurrency investor. It's done pretty well for me, especially in altcoins. You can actually buy and sell certain cryptocurrencies through Robinhood, and they are adding more and more all the time. So let's go ahead and pull up one of my free stocks that I got, which is INO. Right? So you can see the day performance, you can see the week performance, month performance, etc. So for example, this is a week performance. So in a period of span of a week, it is down. You can see you've got 242,646 people own this stock on Robinhood. So you can see how many people own it, what the consensus is. 57% of the owners or 57% of the analysts say that they rate this as a buy. You can go through, you can have a really quick screenshot or snapshot of your equity in the stocks, as well as the return, total returns, your average cost, how much it is on your actual portfolio diversity wise, meaning that this is 11.89% of my portfolio. So you can kind of get a rough guess or a rough number on your diversity in your portfolio when it comes to this particular stock, to make sure that you're not too heavy in a certain market or too heavy in a particular stock. Gives a company information, and then it gives a bunch of news, earning reports, the estimated as well as the actual, and then other stocks that people are buying right now that are related to this stock. Matter of fact, I did a video on Moderna, who is developing the coronavirus vaccination. They are in stage 2 right now, and so their stock is doing fairly well. So that's kind of the breakdown on a particular stock. Now, what I really like about this as well is that, again, you can refer out to people that you think will benefit from this portfolio or from this setup and portfolio setup and this brokerage, and it will give you free stock, again, up to $500 per year. And so let's go ahead and take a look at, and just to kind of show you when it comes to my free stocks, you'll get a referral code, which again is in the description. Click the link in the description, go over, claim your free stock, as well as help me out and get me a free stock as well. But again, you can see this is Milo Money Mindset. This is his account. And I got 1 share of INO from using his referral link. I don't know what he got. He might have got the same stock. I don't know. But again, definitely go over. I'll leave a link to his channel as well. Go over and check out. He does portfolio updates all the time. He does weekly performances. Really, really solid channel when it comes to investing. The guy knows his stuff. He's made a good amount of money on his portfolios here on Robinhood. Definitely go over and check out Malone Money Mindset. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the crypto market real quick, and I'll kind of explain how that works. Again, the buying and selling is very easy. Matter of fact, we'll just do that real quick. Go to a Ford stock. You see Ford is at $5.96. It's getting absolutely demolished right now, and that's totally cool with me. I'm buying it at a pretty fair discount, and I'm happy with that. It's also a dividend paying stock. I believe they suspended dividends right now. I'm not exactly sure. I would have to take a look, but I'm pretty sure they suspended their dividend payments due to coronavirus. 863,420 people on Robinhood own Ford. It is at a 68% of analysts say hold. And then you will see 21% say buy, 68% say hold, 11% say sell. Then you can see, the bulls, so people think that the stock's going to go up. It'll pull up a bull comment and then a bear comment, which is people that don't believe that this stock's going to go anywhere. It's not a good buy right now. Again, earnings, the whole 9 yards. But to buy, it's really, really simple. You'll put in however many shares you want to buy. It'll show you at market price. Then you can go ahead and review your order and then move on from there. So it's really, really simple. It's commission free. It's not complicated at all, especially for newer investors. This is a great, great brokerage to jump on. Anyways, let's go and take a look at the cryptocurrencies real quick, and we'll call it a day here for this Thursday video. We're going to go back to portfolio. We're going to go and click on cryptocurrencies, and then boom. So here is the cryptocurrency. They have 17 cryptocurrencies right now that you can buy and sell on their brokerage. Really, really cool. They have it categorized by price or by price change. You can go ahead and see, which ones are rising, which ones are falling. And so it's kind of a cool setup. Again, they're expanding their cryptocurrency market. as much of everything's going up. There's nothing following right now. So again, I'm a big Ethereum investor. I do like Ethereum. I think Ethereum is a great crypto to get into. Obviously, Bitcoin is kind of like the industry standard, but Bitcoin has a lot of weaknesses. I like Ethereum because there's a lot of games that are being built on the blockchain. It's a little bit easier for developers and it's a little bit more secure. So that could have changed. I don't know. But from what I know, when I invested very heavy several months ago, that's kind of what the consensus was. So anyways, again, you got Dogecoin, Ripple, Litecoin. I mean, Ethereum Classic, Monero, Dash, Bitcoin Gold. I mean, all the big players are in here. I don't know if Ethereum's, oh, there it is. There's Ethereum right there. Man, it's $215 today right now. Woof. I just bought a whole bunch of it for $209 this morning. Okay. So anyways, here is kind of an overview on Robinhood. Are you a Robinhood user? What do you think about Robinhood? What do you think about getting some free stock? That's kind of cool, huh? Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, and I will catch you all later. Again, thank you so much. If you like this content, subscribe, give it a like, and I will see you soon. Peace.